10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. Before the revisional authority, the only contention pursued was that there was no sale within the state of West Bengal or even in India because the buyer had no right to consume the goods before the ship crossed the territorial waters of India. It was urged by the appellants before the revisional authority that the process of import was not complete at the time of sale to the foreign going ships and the transaction was a sale in the course of import from another country. Resultantly, the sold goods were not taxable under the concerned West Bengal sales tax laws because the goods never entered the local area of the state of West Bengal, crossing the customs frontiers of India as defined in section 2AB of the Central Sales Tax Act 1956. The tribunal, however, held that the sale had taken place on the land mass of the state of West Bengal and the sale was neither for import nor for export. The tribunal essentially relied upon the exposition in Madras Marine and Co. versus State of Madras to reject the revision filed by the appellants being devoid of merits. Feeling aggrieved, the appellants carried the matter to the High Court by way of a writ petition being number 5/2007, which came to be rejected by the division bench of the High Court, whilst upholding the view taken by the tribunal as just and proper. Civil Appeal number 78/2009 emanates from the order dated 22 October 2003 passed by the Assistant Commissioner of Commercial Taxes under Section 65 of the 1994 Act pertaining to assessment period 1/4/1999 to 31/3/2003. The claim of the appellants that the sales in question were in the course of import on high seas and no sales tax was payable thereon came to be rejected. The authority answered the claim as all the judicial edicts relevant and referred to were pursued and the documents produced by the dealer were examined. His Lordship Honorable West Bengal Taxation Tribunal passed the judgment after considering all the grounds taken by the dealer including the one for the position of the law after introduction of the section 2AB in Central Sales Tax Act. His Lordship Honorable High Court of Kolkata did not express even a mite of doubt in the correctness of the impugned order of the Honorable Tribunal. The order was remanded for quantification of sales in dispute. It was observed that of the total goods imported and stored, only a portion was taken out for sale to master of a particular ship. From the same warehouse, goods for sales to local persons also were taken. So, the sold goods could not have been ascertained and appropriate before those were taken out of the bonded warehouse. Moreover, the said decision has not considered the efficiency of Section 2AB of the CST Act nor noticed the dictum in J.V. Gokul while dealt with the case of import. It was urged that the decision in J.V. Gokul had been followed in a recent decision in state of Kerala and others versus William Fernandez.